Hi sewing friends, I'm Alice Murray. Welcome to day 53 of my YouTube channel, 365 Days of Sewing Makes. And I appreciate very much you tuning in today for day 53. We're chugging along here, and it is only because of your support that we have made it this far. Let's see how far we'll get. Will we get to 365? I don't know. It'll be tough, but we'll see. So today, I want to show you something a little bit different. I try to make it a little bit different all the time. Start with NewLook 6662. It's a 2020 release. This kind of wrap top and these wide leg pants. And so I made the pants out of this pattern. They have a side zipper, they have very wide legs, and they have pockets. Zipper on the side and pockets. So I thought, I gotta make those. There's the line drawings. Let's see if I can get it to focus. No, it's not going to. But anyways, there's darts in the back. And I also made a top to go with them. I just used the top of, it's not actually a top. This is Butterick 6378. And it's another of those lifestyle patterns that I got out of the bargain bin at Fabric Land. And it comes with pants, and this is actually a dress and a jacket. And I made this out of linen, and I was really hoping, it's very beautiful drapey linen, and I was really hoping I had enough for this drapey jacket, but I didn't. So I just made the top of the dress, and it has very small line drawings, but it has darts in the front and darts in the back. So kind of a fitted top. And the linen I got from Fabric Mart, which is a fabric store from America. And it is called Ecru Tan, 100% linen, yard dyed. It was 54 inches wide, and I got 2 yards. I wish I would have got 3. So this is what it looks like. Very drapey pants, and I love these pockets. I love them. And then just a little top, darts in the back, darts in the front, bust darts. It's just a really beautiful linen. I'm not sure this video is going to do it justice, but if you could feel it, you would see that it is a beautiful, beautiful drapey linen. Putting a zipper in where there's a pocket, very tricky. And I absolutely could not understand the instructions that came with this pattern. So I just kind of figured it out on my own. The zipper had to attach to one side of the pocket and the other side to the back pant leg. So I figured that out. It worked. It's not very obtrusive. That worked fine. I made this outfit, showed it to my husband because he's my #1 helper. And I said to him, so what do you think of this outfit? And he looked at it and he said, well, it kind of looks like you're not wearing anything. And I said, so what you're saying is I need some contrast. And he said, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So then I added this black binding around the arms and the neckline of the top to give it some contrast. So what I am grateful in my grateful thread today is I am grateful. I think the black trim, I think it perked it right up. I think it looks much, much better with it. What I'm grateful for is feedback, for, you know, telling it like it is. I really appreciate that. I appreciate that in my husband. I appreciate that in my friends. And I appreciate it from you on this channel. If there's something you see, I love the compliments, don't get me wrong. But if there's something you see that you would think would look better a different way, I'd love to hear it. And that includes anything about the channel too. If there's some information you would like, or whatever. I am very, very grateful for feedback because, you know, I got one brain. It's good to have other brains also wading in and telling me how they see things. So I am very grateful for that. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.